Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about, I think, a very good deal on a really good phone. I just saw this today. So, Merry Christmas to everybody. This is Friday, December 25th, the time of the recording of this. So, just depending when you hear this, or I mean, see this video, but I'm trying to upload it as soon as possible, maybe tomorrow. But let's go ahead and check it out. So right now, guys, as you scroll down, check this deal out. I think it's a really good deal. You can get a Samsung Galaxy S10 for only $400, guys. That's a savings of $350. I believe there was a video about this, but it was showing three other phones. Um, but overall, this is just a quick alert for everybody. Like I said, letting you guys know that the Samsung Galaxy S10 is on sale currently for $350 off, which honestly is an amazing deal. So this phone does retail for $750, and this phone's not even that old. But like I said, right now, what's cool with Boost Mobile's website is when these phones go on sale, guys, you will be able to get this deal as well. Doesn't matter if you're a new customer, a porting customer, or an existing customer, everybody gets this. And that's why I like these online deals. Like I said, most of these deals you have to do like a port-in deal, so you have to, switch over from a different carrier so you can get these savings. Boost Mobile said, nah, you can go ahead and do this. So it says Samsung Galaxy S10. No requirements at all. So it says it doesn't just stand out, it stands apart. Completely redesigned to remove interruptions. No notch, wow, no distractions. Power is yours to share with a wireless power share. So very cool. If you guys don't know what that is, you can basically reverse charge. So you can charge your headphones or another phone. It basically makes your phone a wireless charger. It says store more, do more with up to 1 TB of storage. Put a pro grade camera in your pocket with a full kit of lenses built right in. The Samsung Galaxy S10 adapts to you, so you don't have to adapt to it. Wow. This, of course, will work on T-Mobile's network. Like I said, basically Boost Mobile's now owned by Dish Network, but they're using T-Mobile's network, so just know about that. This phone does have a pretty big screen at 6.1 inch, 16 megapixel camera, talk time up to 34 hours. Storage right off the bat, base model's 128 gigabytes, Android 10. Pretty cool overall. Check this phone out. Like I said, it's very nice. Does have, of course, the infinity display, so it curves and all that. But completely redesigned to remove interruptions. Like I said, no notch. It does have a uh, dynamic AMOLED screen that's easy for the eyes. Infinity display, all that good stuff. It says simply touch the glass to unlock. It does have built-in fingerprint sensor, guys. So, except for the holidays, if maybe you weren't able to get something for the family or your loved ones, this is a good phone for the price. Says power is yours to share. Of course, like I was saying, you can charge someone else's phone as long as that phone is wireless compatible. So it's pretty cool. And let's just look at the specifications or the specs. So this phone doesn't have the biggest battery or the smallest battery. It's a 3,400 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 34 hours. Of course, not removable. Now the specs, 8 gigs of RAM, guys. I think that's pretty decent. 128 gigabytes of memory, and of course supports up to 128 gigabytes. This phone's not playing around when it comes to the processor. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. So I know the new one's 865, I believe, or 865 plus on the S20. But guys, for the phone being a year old, 855 is plenty. Operating systems, Android 10, of course. The camera, it's a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle rear facing camera and a 12 megapixel front facing camera. So pretty good. You will have a good camera. Of course, Samsung, they're known for their displays, guys. It's 6.1 inch Quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED. There's the dimensions there. It does have to Type C, of course. It is NFC capable, Bluetooth as well. So that's always good. Wireless charging, wireless power share, in-screen ultrasonic fingerprint reader. And overall, I mean, this phone has 5 out of 5 stars, so everybody's saying it's a great phone. If you guys know about Galaxies or anything like that, like I said, it's a really good phone, and you can check the cameras in the back as well. Um, so overall, it's a really good phone. There it is. So pretty cool. Um, But yeah, I would totally recommend this phone at that price, $400 instead of 750. I mean, it's time to buy. I mean, the S20 came out, and of course, this one had a price drop. So let me know in the comments below if you're interested. And like I say, you can support the channel by checking out the description below with Honey. They're my supporter for the channel. So once you sign up for Honey, I do get a small commission. Find your best promo codes on popular shopping websites like the Boost Mobile. It would have told you, boom, there you go. There's some savings right there. And many more: Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy. As well, I'm just starting in the stock market. If you want to start, making extra money on the stock market, you can check out the description below. I have my Robinhood link in the description below as well, guys. So you can start investing money um, as well. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe for a lot more, and see you next time.